How to delete comment history on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open TikTok, click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen, then click on three lines at the top right. Then go to settings and privacy located at the bottom. In here, you will find Activity Center. Simply click on Activity Center. It will lead you to this kind of page. In here, simply click on comment history. After you click on comment history, you'll find all the comments. Simply select the comment you want to delete. Hold on to the comment and press on delete at the bottom. But TikTok does not give you deleting multiple comments of your history. So what you can do is go back, scroll down in settings and privacy and click on report a problem. Then in here, scroll down and click on chat with us. In here, you can simply ask TikTok for help to simply delete comment history of your account. They will get back to you and your problem will be fixed. This is how to delete comment history on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.